Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Walang sisilip. Okay. Magka-count na si Ate Gisana 1 to 20. Lahat po, close your eyes. Okay. O, magka-count na ako ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go! Find your last one! Okay, wait lang. Ngayon, gusto ko nakasuot siya ng maayos. First three winners! Dito, pagkataon na yung three. Okay? Okay, last one! Last one! Bilis! Sige, ipunin nila. Isa kayo. Sige, paramihan. Asan yung red team? Tumawala ang red team. Pero ang blue. Magkakaroon kami sa atin ng 10, ha? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, time's up. Time's up. Okay, magbibilangan na tayo. Take long. Size of food. Oh, girls ulit. Girls. Oh, size ng food. 7. 9. Okay, 2 points for girls. Sana lang. Okay. Number of your past girlfriend and boyfriend. Say, past boyfriend or girlfriend. Una. Girl. Dapat i-shout niya kasi. Sige. O sige po, ilan na po naging ex-boyfriend ni Ma? 1 lang. 2. 4. 5. Seryoso? Okay. O ngayon, winner na po ang ating girl.